What's up, guys? It's your boy, Awareness and Oblivion, and I'm back with another episode of Check These Guys the Fudge Out. This band is called the JaneDoe Autopsy. They came into my live stream sometime this last spring, I want to say, in 2025, and requested one of their songs, and I was like, what in the fudge? Because I'm looking at their Spotify, and they got 122 monthly listeners. Like, how in the fuck? Like, what? They're slam, dude. They're awesome. I love their style. I love their vocals. Straight up cool dudes. Working on an album right now. Can't wait to hear the finished product. Everything they've dropped has been straight fire. Check them out. All right, so for the badassery rating. So overall, I'm going to give these guys an 8. The vocals are an 8.5. Totally slammy, totally great gutturals, fucking all the highs, all the lows, everything's good. The guitars are slam. They're not super technical. They're super chunky, beefy, great tone. I love it. Overall, like I said, give them an 8. Love you guys. Keep doing what you're doing. Bringing that fire. I love you.